What's up, one goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel. Today I am going to be making some beef kidney, and it is frozen. That's why it is looking like this. So I'm going to get this thawed, but I am going to put it in some hot water because I want to cook it today. So some people rather leave it out and leave it to thaw, but God knows me can't wait right now. So I put in some hot water, thaw it out and cut it up, and then we're gonna season it and cook it. Alright. So guys, I forgot to make the video when I was putting in the kidney in the pot. So I seasoned it with a little bit of garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, chicken seasoning, Maggi, chicken seasoning, and some all-purpose. I use a lot of garlic, and I use a little bit of ginger because, you know, and then I have a piece of pepper here. So I just put this in the pot, and I'm not going to cover it as yet. I'm going to leave it until it starts to like fry, and then I'm going to add the water, the rest of the seasoning. But I want this to like start frying first. This is the first. I don't put any water in it. It's making its own water. So stay tuned. Alright, put this, so when it starts fry up like this now, see, get a little color on it. Then we're going to add some seasoning. So I have some thyme, onion, green onion, and green bell peppers. So I'm just gonna add that, spin it around. Spin this around for about a minute. So just stick like a minute, and then we're gonna add the water. So guys, I add enough water. I'm gonna add some more water because I know this amount of water won't cook it, because kidney sometimes it tends to be on the tough side. So add some more water, and I'm going to cover this down and allow it to cook. I'm going to come back and taste it, and then we're going to add a little bit more powdered seasoning, like a Maggi cube or whatever I think I need to make it, you know,
Yeah, girl.
spice up.
You guys, season up in a pot.
I need that in the background. I cook some seasoned rice. We can show you that too. But yeah, so I'll cover this down now. See the girl seasoned rice, so she's not enough to show nobody. But she had cooked seasoned rice with tin mackerel and canned beef. I'm going to show you when it's done. Yeah. Okay guys, so we finished cooking and I eat that. So the gravy gone down, and we taste it, and it didn't want something. So I put a Maggi cube in there. You can put your favorite seasoning. When I taste it, I didn't want to put any salt, so I just added the Maggi cube. But this is it, and it's really soft now because I add a lot of water to it. And I also add another piece of my Scotch bonnet pepper because I like it spicy. So this is it, guys. To eat it with some of me seasoned rice. I don't know what I think about the recipe. Try it out. Alright? Okay, what good.